Hello my dear friends. In this tutorial I will explain how to conduct an exam through Google Classroom on mobile app, and so you must have a Google Classroom app and you must have a teacher of particular Google Classroom. So you just open this Google Classroom app and you can see if you have been added in various Google Classroom. So you will see all the classrooms here in this section. So if you are going to conduct an exam, suppose in this section, means this is BME event semester 2019, in which 46 students are enrolled. So to conduct the exam, you just click on this class and you can see the stream. Means here you can see the all the works, all the submission will be shown here first. Means if the students comment, if you student ask for the doubt in the teacher comments on the question of the teacher, that also can be seen. If you ask some question, objective type of question, you can ask here also in the comment section, but I'm not going to focus on this. I'm going to focus on the how to conduct an exam here. So you just you can see also the students who are the students in this Google class. You can see, check all the students are here or not, and you can see that faculties also in this section. Teachers are here and students are here. So you just go to the classwork and you just add. You can see the classwork has been already assigned and posted here, and you just go to the plus sign, and the question in question section you are not going to write in there, because uploading is not in the question section, and material is the notes. You can upload the notes for the students to study, and in assignment you can conduct quiz, you can conduct exam also. So you just go to the assignment, and you know the title of the exam is suppose it is a midterm. Sorry, it is midterm second BME. Suppose the subject is also named here BME, and you can write in the description the subject name, timing, and all. You can write instruction for the exam for the students. And as you know that all of us know that the marks for the midterm 2 exam is suggested by the RTU, that it must be maximum 50 marks. So you can change it to the 50 marks. Now in due date, suppose in description you can write attempt all, like this. You can write this in the question paper also. So in this due time, means the starting time of the exam. So you are also know that the what is the end time of the exam. So due date and time is like what is the end time of this exam is date is 18th of April. Suppose we are going to conduct an exam on 18th April at 10 a.m. So as a RTU suggested to conduct an exam for 1 hour 30 minutes and 15 minutes for the extra time to uploading the file for the students. So total time will be 1 hour 45 minutes. So due time must be 11:45. Then okay. After that we are going to upload the question paper. Will be upload from this pin point. This is pin sign that we are going to attach here, and you just go to the file where you have saved the question paper. And I have some question paper like midterm 1, and this is midterm 1 file, and I'm going to upload this here by clicking on this. And you can see option, you can see this material uploaded here, midterm 1 even semester. Midterm 1 is this, and you just check these options. Student can view only, student cannot edit. Student can edit here in the second option. If you use this option, then if you use the file as a editable format, so the student can change the question paper also. So we don't require this option, so we can require this only. The student can view only the question paper. Okay. Now the very important and very excellent feature of this Google Classroom is that don't require to make the paper and upload the question paper or conduct the exam and prepare the exam at the time of the exam. You can prepare the exam and you can schedule the exam at the time you want, at the time of, as per the time of the timetable. Means if the exam is going to be conducted tomorrow, you can prepare your question paper and you can prepare this Google Classroom section assignment for the tomorrow only, and it will automatically, you no need to open the Google Classroom at the time of the exam. You just upload it and scheduled it at the time of the exam. You just go to the three dots and just click on the scheduled. So it will ask the scheduled time and date. So we are going to conduct this exam at 18 April and time is 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. So just uploading and check it, the time and date are okay or not. Here time is okay and here date is also okay. You just scheduled it. After scheduling, you can see in the classwork at the top it is showing that midterm 2 second BME is scheduled tomorrow at 10 a.m. It means it is also, you can see this is not a dark section, it is gray color section, means it is scheduled, it is not visible to the students right now. It will visible to the student at the time of the schedule timetable, as per the timetable. If you have given the time in the schedule section in the during preparation of the question paper, so you can if you want some change in the question paper, if you want to change the question paper, or if you want to change the time, you can just click on these three dots and you can see edit option. So you can change the you can delete the question paper also. You can delete this question paper and you can add again the question paper. Suppose that file was not correct, so I'm going to add some other file. Suppose other file is something like this is, suppose I'm going to change this paper and this is this one. So you can just add this and you can schedule it at the same time and same date. This is already in there, which time and date you have already edited this, you have added this time and date already. So you just click on schedule and you just check it in the classwork that it is okay or not. It is okay, scheduled tomorrow for 10 a.m. So that's all for the conduction of the exam for the students. So I think it will help you to prepare the exam and schedule the exam at time given as per timetable. Thank you.